Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can expand your inventory and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you the inventory capacity. We only have 100 slots for the fruits, for seeds, and for pets. And if you want to expand it, unfortunately, it's not free. You need to buy Robux to expand your inventory. Let me show you how. Okay, when you try to harvest your fruits, but your inventory is full, you will get like a notification, and you can click on this plus icon on the notification, and then you can buy backpack space or inventory more inventory capacity, and it costs 79 Robux. Yeah, oh my god, it's not free, but if you have a lot of Robux, you can try to expand it because it's only 100 slots. Okay guys, and that's how we can expand our inventory and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.